Welcome back to Smooth Auto Vibes. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting electric SUVs of the year, the 2025 BYD ATTO 3. This compact electric SUV is turning heads with its blend of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're new to the EV world or just looking for your next upgrade, the ATTO 3 is here to impress. Let's start with the design. BYD has given the 2025 ATTO 3 a bold and modern look. The smooth, aerodynamic body, aggressive front grille, and sleek LED lighting give it a sporty yet refined presence. With sharp lines and an athletic stance, it looks just as good in your driveway as it does on the road. The 18-inch alloy wheels, flush door handles, and panoramic sunroof add to its premium feel. It's clear that BYD is stepping up its game to compete with some of the best in the electric SUV segment. But the real magic happens when you step inside. The 2025 ATTO 3 offers a futuristic and tech-filled cabin. The moment you sit down, you're greeted by a spacious, well-crafted interior with high-quality materials and thoughtful design. Soft touch surfaces, vegan leather upholstery, and customizable ambient lighting give it a premium vibe. The centerpiece of the cabin is the impressive 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen. Yes, you heard that right, it rotates. With a quick tap, you can switch from landscape to portrait mode, making it perfect for navigation, media, or any app you need. The system is fast, responsive, and packed with features, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get a fully digital instrument cluster behind the wheel, providing all the essential driving information at a glance. The steering wheel has a sporty, flat-bottom design, with easy-to-access controls for added convenience. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 BYD ATTO 3 is powered by a 60.5 kWh Blade battery, offering an impressive range of up to 260 miles on a single charge. That means you can tackle long drives without the constant worry of finding a charger. Plus, with fast charging capability, you can juice up from 10% to 80% in just about 30 minutes. With 201 horsepower and 310 Nm of torque, the ATTO 3 delivers smooth, instant acceleration. It's not just quick off the line, it feels balanced and confident on the road. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising on the highway, this SUV offers a comfortable and responsive driving experience. Safety is another area where the ATTO 3 shines. It comes equipped with BYD's advanced driver assist system, offering features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera for better visibility. Whether you're parking in tight spots or tackling long road trips, you can drive with peace of mind. Practicality is key for any SUV, and the ATTO 3 delivers with plenty of cargo space and flexible seating. With the rear seats folded down, you get ample room for luggage, groceries, or weekend adventure gear. So, is the 2025 BYD ATTO 3 worth the hype? Absolutely. It offers the perfect combination of style, technology, and practicality, all wrapped in an eco-friendly package. Whether you're an EV enthusiast or just making the switch, this SUV checks all the right boxes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smooth Auto Vibes for more in-depth car reviews and the latest in the automotive world. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.